Personal Development and Well-Being Crash Course, Emotional Intelligence. Introduction. Emotional intelligence, A, is a crucial aspect of personal development and well-being. It refers to our ability to recognize, understand, and manage our own emotions, as well as the emotions of others. Developing emotional intelligence can enhance our relationships, communication skills, and overall satisfaction in life. In this crash course, we will explore the concept of emotional intelligence, share interesting stories and examples, and discuss the top 12 strategies for managing emotions and fostering good relationships. Stories and examples. To illustrate the importance of emotional intelligence, let's delve into a couple of stories that highlight its impact on personal and professional relationships. Story 1. The Power of Empathy. Emma, a dedicated team leader, noticed that one of her colleagues, Jack, seemed distant and disengaged. Instead of jumping to conclusions or dismissing his behavior, she decided to approach him with empathy and understanding. Through active listening and genuine concern, Emma discovered that Jack was going through a difficult time in his personal life. By demonstrating empathy and offering support, Emma not only strengthened her relationship with Jack but also helped him navigate his challenges more effectively. Story 2. Conflict Resolution with Emotional Intelligence. David and Sarah, a couple in a long-term relationship, often found themselves in heated arguments that escalated quickly. They realized that their emotional reactions were causing more harm than good. Determined to improve their communication, they sought guidance on emotional intelligence and conflict resolution techniques. By practicing self-awareness, active listening, and expressing emotions constructively, they learned to resolve conflicts with empathy and respect, deepening their bond and fostering a healthier relationship. These stories demonstrate the transformative power of emotional intelligence in building strong, meaningful connections. Now, let's explore the top 12 strategies for managing emotions and nurturing good relationships. Top 12 Emotional Intelligence Management Strategies. 1. Self-awareness. Recognize and understand your own emotions, triggers, and patterns of behavior. 2. Self-regulation. Develop the ability to control and manage your emotions in various situations. 3. Empathy. Put yourself in others' shoes and seek to understand their emotions and perspectives. 4. Active listening. Give your full attention to others and genuinely listen to their thoughts and feelings. 5. Emotional awareness of others. Observe and interpret nonverbal cues to better understand others' emotions. 6. Effective communication. Express your emotions clearly and respectfully, while also being receptive to others' emotions. 7. Conflict resolution. Use emotional intelligence to navigate conflicts, finding win-win solutions through empathy and understanding. 8. Building trust. Foster trust by being reliable, maintaining confidentiality, and demonstrating empathy. 9. Flexibility and adaptability. Adjust your approach and responses to different individuals and situations. 10. Emotional resilience. Develop resilience to bounce back from setbacks and manage stress effectively. 11. Social skills. Cultivate strong interpersonal skills, including teamwork, collaboration, and leadership. 12. Continuous learning. Commit to ongoing personal and professional development, including emotional intelligence. Summarization. In this crash course on emotional intelligence, we explored the significance of developing emotional intelligence for personal growth and nurturing healthy relationships. Emotional intelligence allows us to understand and manage our own emotions, as well as connect empathetically with others. By employing the top 12 strategies for emotional intelligence management, we can enhance our relationships, improve communication, and foster a positive and fulfilling life. Poem. In the realm of emotions, we find a key to unlock the depths of empathy. With self-awareness, our journey starts. Unraveling the mysteries of our hearts. To regulate emotions, a vital art. Guided by intelligence, an inner chart. Through empathy, we bridge the divide. Understanding others, walking side by side. Active listening, a gift we give. To truly hear, and in turn, receive. Emotional awareness, a silent language. Reading between the lines, a nuanced advantage. In conflicts, we seek resolution and peace. Using empathy as our compass, we release. Building trust, the cornerstone of connection. Reliability and confidentiality, our reflection. Flexibility and adaptability, we embrace. Adjusting our sails in life's changing space. Resilience, a strength that carries us through. Bouncing back, stronger with each breakthrough. Social skills, the tapestry we weave. Collaboration and leadership, our beliefs. Continuous learning, a lifelong quest. Nurturing emotional intelligence, our best. In the realm of emotions, we find our way. Guided by empathy, each and every day. Emotional intelligence, our guiding light. Transforming relationships, shining bright. Song. Verse 1. In a world of feelings, we find our strength. Emotional intelligence, it goes to great lengths. Understanding ourselves, our emotions inside. And reaching out to others, with arms open wide. Chorus. Emotional intelligence, it's a gift we possess. A compass in our hearts, guiding us through distress. Empathy and understanding, the bonds we create. Nurturing relationships, making life truly great. Verse 2. Active listening, a skill we learn to refine. Hearing the unspoken, connecting heart and mind. Through conflicts and challenges, we find our way. With emotional intelligence, we seize the day. Chorus. Emotional intelligence, it's a gift we possess. A compass in our hearts, guiding us through distress. Empathy and understanding, the bonds we create. Nurturing relationships, making life truly great. Bridge. Trust is the foundation on which we build. Reliability and confidentiality, a promise fulfilled. Flexibility and resilience, we rise above. Embracing life's journey, with courage and love. Chorus. Emotional intelligence, it's a gift we possess. A compass in our hearts, guiding us through distress. Empathy and understanding, the bonds we create. Nurturing relationships, making life truly great. Outro. With continuous learning, we expand our horizons. Growing in emotional intelligence, the world opens. In the realm of emotions, we find our way. Guided by empathy, each and every day. *****. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 = 7989335 is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.